Inspirational web development, a beginner approach. What is JavaScript? Part 2. JavaScript libraries. Advanced JavaScript programming, especially the complex handling of browsers differences, can often be very difficult and time consuming to work with. To deal with these difficulties, a lot of JavaScript helper libraries have been developed. JavaScript libraries are great, and there are too much JavaScript libraries you can use. There is AngularJS by Google, Polymer by Google also, Emperor React by Facebook, Muter, Mercury, Backbone.js, Knockout. There is lots and lots of JavaScript libraries. So in this demo, I will show you how to use jQuery library. It's a Google library to do some stuff with it. So open in Chrome here and type in google.com. First, we need the jQuery CDN. So here jQuery CDN. I'm gonna choose the minified one here. I'm gonna take this line, copy. This is JavaScript code, so I'm gonna take this line. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Then here inside Inspirational Web Development, just test, we're gonna make a new HTML file. So here, Inspirational Web Development, just test, we called it outside.html. Type here first the doc type HTML for HTML version, then HTML we type here and control space. The title, the JavaScript libraries. Great. Now we will include our JavaScript library. So we're gonna type here script, and we type the src equals to the link of it here. Now we'll create an element which is an anchor, which has a class of, or not a class, a class of text, and inside it we type I feel sad, for example. So now opening this page here outside.html using Chrome. Yeah, I see here I feel sad. So I will change this text using JavaScript. So how this will work? The first thing you need is to make another script tag. Okay, and inside it we will use some jQuery functionality. Remember, in the previous tutorial we typed something like this: lm equals to our name, I think, equals to document dot get element by id, etc. But now we will use some JavaScript or jQuery functionality. So we're gonna type a dollar sign, open brackets, then inside this we type dot text, and we press dot html, and we type the value here. What is the value? The value, I feel happy. And close it. Remember that when I refresh the page, I feel sad will not change to I feel happy. Why? I will tell you why. Because the flow of data here is work something like this. So the first thing is the HTML, the head, and loading this JavaScript and executing this code. When I execute this code, the anchor tag is not loaded yet. So it will not, or it can't access it. So we're gonna move this code here, cut it, and put it here after the anchor tag loaded. And we're gonna update this. I feel happy. So you want, but when I put this code here, remember that I feel sad. No, I feel sad. Does not feel. And when you open, if you type, if you click, right click on the page and click on inspect or inspect element, then move to console here. Okay, here you can do whatever you like. So here $sign, you type whatever you like. You can test window, you can test document, anything on JavaScript can be tested here inside the console. Okay, this is great. So I feel sad does not change. To change it, we move because the loading of the document starts from doc type, then HTML, then head, then title script, then head, then body, then. So if I type my script here, it will not load it. So to load it, I should put it here, which is great. But how to avoid this problem? We can avoid it by something like this. Yeah, we're gonna type here instead window, accessing window dot onload equal to a function. This function is an anonymous function, something like this. This is an anonymous function. That's mean it does not have a name. And then inside I will put this. So now if I update, I feel happy. So because it executes this line or this function after the document has been loaded. Thank you.